C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z Y and Z Y and Z. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, how are you students? I'm Muhammad Mansha, your course teacher, and I'll teach you English alphabet. Yes, 26 letters, they are in number, and we have learned first 17 letters starting from A to Q. Good. Our next letter is R. Next letter is R. And R gives R sound. R sound. R. And R for rose. R for rose. R for rabbit. R for rat. Any other name? Yes, please. Ring. Good. Rocket. Do you know the color name starting from R? Red. Very good. Now we'll learn how to write this letter R with the help of dotted sheet. And this sheet will help you to write R. Thank you very much.